Okay, let's see. Well, let's read. Let's see Sunny's body language and read it. She doesn't want to be picked up. That's what I'm reading. Let's see. That's a no, yes. You know what, Sunny has been puffed up all day. She's been very quiet. Let's warm her up, and she seems cold. This is how I warm her up. And I'm a little worried Sunny is not feeling well, to tell you the truth. Hi, Sunny. So we're going to keep an eye on her. Hi, Sunny. And I'm going to keep her warm. Yeah. All right, everybody wish Sunny well. Kissy, Sunny. Mwah. Ow!